I'll go ahead and review this toy. Is a kinetic asteroid. So it has 10 planets. Yeah, swinging. And what an awesome toy. Yeah, I like this one. This one is color box from Bowie's. So I don't know that color. So whatever when I want for Bowie. So I like this one, but this is going to be dry. Oh, this is going to be $17. Wow. Thanks, Bowie. So if you want this toy, check this comments down below. So, but remember, God made you special, and He loves you very much.